budget for unexpected expenses. Budgeting for unexpected expenses is one of the smartest moves you can make as a rental property owner. Surprises like a leaky roof, broken water heater, or pest problem can happen at any time, often when you least expect them. If you're not prepared, these costs can quickly derail your budget. Setting aside a cushion, typically 10 to 15% of your rental income, acts as a safety net and gives you peace of mind. It's not just about money, it's about staying stress-free and keeping your property running smoothly. Unexpected expenses don't stop at repairs. You also need to consider legal fees for tenant disputes, higher utility costs during extreme weather, or even vacancies that hurt your cash flow. A month or two without rent can seriously impact your finances if you're not ready. By creating a contingency fund, you're not only saving money but also avoiding sleepless nights. This fund allows you to handle emergencies quickly and professionally, helping you maintain positive tenant relationships. After all, no one wants to wait weeks for a repair because the landlord didn't budget for it. Your fund isn't just for emergencies, it's for opportunities too. For example, making small upgrades like replacing old fixtures or adding a smart thermostat can attract better tenants or justify a slight rent increase. Planning ahead lets you take advantage of these opportunities without worrying about your finances. Being a landlord isn't just about collecting rent, it's about running a business. Treat your budget like a professional, and you'll stay ahead of the game no matter what challenges come your way.